and welcome to the next session of Tips and Tricks. Today we're in Adobe Illustrator and I'm going to show you how to create a repeating pattern by using the Repeat Pattern tool. I've created an apple here that I've drawn in Illustrator with my Wacom tablet. So I've just drawn it, it's grouped all together, so it's one shape. You can resize it depending on what size you want your pattern to be. So I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. So to make that smaller, you're making sure that you're selecting the black arrow, or the shortcut to it is V, it's the selection tool. And then you can press Shift, always pressing Shift when you're making something bigger or smaller to keep it constrained. If I press Shift and Option, it will actually make it bigger or smaller from the center, which is a lot easier. So I've got my shape here, so I'm going to go up to Object, Pattern, Make. This is telling me that it's going to be automatically added over here into the swatches panel, so I press OK. So the default pattern here is a grid, so you can see there it's like a little grid, box modular grid setup. In the tile type I can change it to be any other style that I like. This one's pretty good. You can also tick size tile to art, so if I wanted to have a specific amount between, I can say go 3 by 3 and it will space that out. I'm going to call the pattern Apple. Once I'm happy with it, it's a little bit hard to see, but up the top here is done, so I'll press Done. Alright, so now that's removed it, however it is over here in my swatches panel. I've drawn a basic box here, so it's just a white box with a black stroke. I'm now going to fill it with my new pattern that I've made. So I can create any other shape, maybe it's a circle or an ellipse, and I'm going to fill it with that exact same shape. So this is great for textile design, making repeating patterns for background designs on any print or digital media. It's very easy to use, it's only a couple of different steps. Hope you found that interesting. See you next time.